Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your upper body in fast bowling. A powerful upper body is crucial for generating pace and accuracy. Start with a balanced run-up, ensuring your non-bowling arm is raised high, pointing directly at your target. This helps align your body and build momentum. Your bowling arm should be cocked, forming a 90-degree angle at the elbow, ready to unleash the ball. This initial setup is vital for a smooth and effective delivery, setting the stage for maximum power and control. As you approach the crease, drive your non-bowling arm down with significant force. This action generates crucial rotational power, pulling your body through the delivery. Simultaneously, whip your bowling arm over, maintaining a high arm action. This high arm position is key for imparting maximum energy into the ball, leading to greater pace and bounce. Aim to release the ball at the absolute highest point of your delivery stride, ensuring a consistent release point for accuracy and control. Focus on a fluid, powerful motion. Your core muscles are the bridge between your lower and upper body, so engage them actively throughout the entire delivery. A strong, stable trunk prevents energy loss and ensures that the power generated from your legs is efficiently transferred to your bowling arm. After releasing the ball, it's crucial to complete a full follow-through. Allow your bowling arm to swing naturally across your body, dissipating the immense energy built up. This not only helps prevent injuries, but also maintains balance and control for your next delivery. To truly master upper body technique, consistent practice is essential. Try shadow bowling in front of a mirror, focusing intently on your arm action and ensuring perfect body alignment. Incorporate medicine ball throws into your routine. These are fantastic for strengthening your core and significantly improving your rotational power. Additionally, resistance band exercises can greatly enhance your shoulder stability and increase your arm speed. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to these drills, and you'll notice a remarkable improvement in your bowling performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.